How to make a Snapchat group. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a Snapchat group. Now, making a group on Snapchat is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. What you want to do is either swipe your fingers from left to right on your screen or tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Either way, you'll be headed to your chat here. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see a little blue icon there along with the pen icon. You can see it in blue color there. Simply tap on the sky blue icon that you find there. Tap on it, and here what you want to do is tap on the new group option here. You can see on the screen new group. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to create new group. What you want to do is simply tap here on new group here. On new group name, create your group name, and then here you can select users that you want to add. You'll have to scroll them or you can search them from your search bar, and then here select the friends that you want to add to your group. Simply select 2 or more friends and then simply tap on chat with group option at the bottom of your screen and your group will be created. So this way you can make a group on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.